In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to N8N. By the end, your Gmail account will be securely linked to N8N so you can automate tasks like sending emails, reading inbox messages, or kicking off workflows the moment a new email arrives. Start by opening N8N. This can be the desktop app or N8N in your browser, whichever you normally use. Once you're in, create a new workflow so you have a clean canvas to work with. You'll see the empty workspace ready for your first node. Click the plus button to add a node. In the search bar that appears, type Gmail. You'll see two options. The Gmail node is for sending, reading, or managing email within a workflow you trigger yourself. The Gmail trigger node starts the entire workflow when a matching email hits your account, which is perfect for hands-off automations. Pick the one that fits your goal right now. If you're unsure, choose the Gmail node to start. You can always add the trigger later when you're ready to run automatically. With the node added, it will ask for credentials. In the node's credentials field, click Create New Credential. This opens N8N's credential setup window. Here, choose Google OAuth 2 or Gmail OAuth 2, depending on what your N8N version shows. Both options guide you through Google's secure sign-in. Next, sign in to your Gmail account in the Google window that pops up. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one you want to connect to, N8N. If a pop-up blocker prevents the window from opening, allow pop-ups temporarily and try again. Some workplaces also require admin approval for new app connections, so if you see a warning, you might need to check with your administrator. Google will display the list of permissions that the integration needs to function, such as reading, sending, or managing your emails based on the node you chose. Review them, then click Allow to grant access. This is what authorizes N8N to work with your Gmail on your behalf, and you can revoke it from your Google account at any time. When you return to N8N, save the credential. You should now see your new Gmail credential selected in the node. That's it. Your Gmail account is connected. From here, you can configure the node's options to send emails, read specific labels, or, if you chose the trigger, start automations the moment a relevant message arrives. Your connection is secure, reusable across workflows, and ready to power your next automation.